My name is Dr. Temitope Shugbamu. I'm the principal investigator for the Solving Food, Climate and Biodiversity Nexus Challenges within the West Africa Case Study University of Lagos team.
Good morning, everyone.
My name is Sena Pontiton. I'm from Benin Republic. I welcome everyone to the Stakeholders Participatory Workshop, co-creating sustainability solutions at the IUU Fishing, Plastic Pollution, Climate Nexus.
Now, how can we support the policy of the Ministry of Marine and Blue Economy to be able to achieve or realize those goals for sustainability? That's where we are.
It is about a choice between continuing environmental decline or building a future where nature creates jobs, technology protects communities, women and youth lead transformation, waste becomes wealth, and development works together with the environment instead of against it. Because the future we are discussing today is not imaginary, the seeds already exist in our policies, in our communities, in our innovations, and in our collective action. The question is, what kind of story will your own community tell in few years to come? Thank you.
Workshop has been very enriching. The last time we came together, we were looking at the challenges. But this time around, we are profiling solutions.
If Nigerians, or let me say everybody in the world, can come together like this, we can solve major problems in our society. And I want to say that this type of workshop should continue in our environment.
I am very happy to be one of these partakers in this program.
My final word is we need to sustain the ecosystem. God has richly blessed Nigeria. We need to hand over a rich ecosystem to generation yet unborn.